Hello friends, today through this video we will talk about question tags or tag tags. Before going to tag tags, let us discuss some statements. Okay, we are following COVID protocol. I am talking with you. My friend is suffering from cold. He does not attend the school. Ram didn't get his book. Sheena has no words to say. My dear friends, all these statements are very simple sentences and we understand them easily. But if I want to make them more effective, I will say in another way. How? We are following COVID protocol, aren't we? I am talking with you, aren't I? My friend is suffering from cold, isn't he? He does not attend the school, does he? Ram didn't get his book, did he? And then Sheena has no words to say. Has she? My dear friends, many times we say something and thereafter to make it more authentic, more effective, more impressive, we use such kind of tags or question tags. हम कई बार अपनी बात को प्रभावी बनाने के लिए उसी बात के अंत में कुछ प्रश्न वाचक चिन्ह के साथ कुछ टैग करते हैं ना? ये करते हैं ना, दिस इज एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन टैग. हम ऐसा करते हैं ना? मैं ऐसा नहीं करती हूँ क्या? ये लास्ट में जो क्या क्वेश्चन है एक्चुअली वो इसलिए है कि मैं अपनी बात को और प्रभावी बना रही हूँ, उसको और अधिक इफेक्टिव बनाने के लिए मैं ऐसे टैग का यूज करती हूँ. सो व्हाट इज टैग? आपको क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, इंसर्ट द प्रॉपर टैग, इंसर्ट द प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन टैग. उस कंडीशन में आपको क्या करना है, जो स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है वो स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज होना, देन कॉमा एंड देयर आफ्टर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, then pronoun of the subject and last में question mark. Most important thing is that we use here always pronoun of the subject. Here I am using my friend and here I am using isn't he. The second noticeable point is here that if this given statement is affirmative, the tag will be negative, and if the given statement is negative, then the tag will be affirmative. Clear? In this way, we make question tags. Now, let's see few more examples for it. The example says, we are all brothers, aren't we? He does not take exercise, does he? They found a treasure, didn't they? He never attends the meeting, does he? The boy is lazy, isn't he? They always come in time, don't they? We sit here every day, don't we? She sings in the morning, doesn't she? He found his pen, didn't he? That girl got the prize, didn't she? So my dear friends, in this way you can conclude that to make question tag, to add proper question tag, what do we need to do? At first, read the statement carefully. Secondly, you have to insert comma after the given statement. Thereafter, watch the proper auxiliary verb. Then you have to watch whether you should need to insert not or not. If the statement is not negative, you have to make negative tilde tag, and if it is negative, you do not need to insert the not with the tilde tag. Okay. Thereafter, do not forget to insert the question mark there, because question tag, we are making question tag, so we need to insert the question tag at the end of the statement. In this way, we can insert any sentence, we can make question tag of any statement. Let us see few more examples where there may be some mistakes. The statement here is bring that pen. Bring that pen. Now you have to find out the doer of the statement to make its pronoun at the end of the tilde tag. So bring that pen. This is an example of command, and command is given to you. That's why the tag, question tag will be bring that pen, will you. जब मैं आपसे कहती हूँ कि आप पढ़ाई करना, आपको पढ़ाई करनी है, करेंगे क्या? जब मैं ये करेंगे क्या बोलते, या तुम करोगे, ये वर्ड जब आता है तुम, तो यहाँ पर ये बात आपको समझनी है कि स्टेटमेंट किससे कहा जा रहा है। स्टेटमेंट बोल रहा है ब्रिंग दैट पेन, मतलब सामने वाले व्यक्ति से, एक सामने वाले पर्सन से वो बात कही जा रही है। तो जब आप tilde tag ऐड करेंगे, when you have to insert the tilde tag, then in that place you have to insert you, because the instructor is talking with the person before him, and it will be proper word for that is you. So bring that pen, will you. If there is command instruction, then you can make its tilde tag like this. Second is let's go now. Let's go now. In the let's there is let us. Then मैं आपसे बोल रही हूँ let's read the book. मैं आपसे कह रही हूँ let's read the book. तो मैंने किससे कहा? आपसे कहा, हम सब करेंगे। तो हम सब जब वो काम करने वाले हैं, then the tag will be as shall we, because the doer is us. हमारी बात है, then there will be we, and then everyone kept quiet. Did, now what will be here? Everyone converts into didn't they. There was a big crowd. Wasn't there. If in the sentence there is there at the beginning of the statement and you have to make its tail tag, then you will write there at the end of the tag, and the statement will be wasn't there. So my dear friend, in this way all kind of statements can be tagged with question tag, and you can do this. I hope you understood this and you can now do all these kind of statements. At the end of the video there are few statements for your practice. Do them positively and test yourself. Thank you.